to know exactly how many miners are there, because those recovered bodies that the government have shown officially were not limited to the numbers that the government have given, right? We are trying to get the information from the local people, and we are trying to inquire, like normally how many miners are used to be to work in one uh, coal mines. So we were told that normally 60 to 70%, that is minimum. So if two coal mines were blasted, were collapsed, so do you think as responsible leader or a public representative will be satisfied with the figures given by the government? We want to know whether the government has got these statistics or not from those people whom they have arrested, whether they have inquired how many miners are there on that day. Let me be honest with you, as it is, the people they have seen the how the government is conducting. So the people also they understand that the opposition parties will not be given enough opportunity to raise issues concerning the people. We will try. We have tried. We have done according to as per the rules and procedure of business. We don't want to go much beyond because the people have already made up their minds. They have seen what this government have been doing. They have seen how we were prevented every time to speak in the house. So there is time for everything. You see, going by the records of the outcomes, from these commission being constituted by the government from time to time. Latest, the commission constituted to find out the reason that led to the killing of the former General Secretary of the HNLC. Where is the outcome? So, going by the reports, going by the history, we feel that we cannot expect much from this commission. As I've said, there is time for everything. There is time where the government can brush all the problems under the rug, right? But when nature decides to unveil the truth, no one will be able to brush that issue under the carpet. The time where the government will deny is over. You know, Now everybody, all the nation came to know that illegal extraction of coal were taking place in Meghalaya. This is not the first incident, unfortunate incident, where precious lives have been claimed by some mishaps in the coal belt area. We should not forget, once the coal mines was flooded with water. That also was the case. And to our surprise, when the government, when some of the ministers expressed that they were shocking that there is an illegal extraction of coal the in the state. They were shocking to learn that those trucks are carrying coal. You see, how long can you do that? As I've said, the government keep on denying for so long. This is not the first incident, but every time we raise the issue, the government is denying. Every time when we gave a statement, the government was denying. This is the time where the government can no longer deny.